But then I looked at myself to find the information, get the mentors, and really start figuring out how to ride warm bloods and quarter horses and Mustangs and everything. And now I feel very confident on any horse. And I'm gonna share with you a few of the tips that have really helped me. So if you're watching this and you're having trouble with your canter, go back on the membership program and look at that lower leg video to start. Then here for getting more confidence in the canter. Number one, we're gonna start with your seat. I find everybody likes to sit on their teeter-totter. Everybody loves to have that Kim Kardashian butt lift. They swing their leg over that saddle and find the back of it, and they put their butt up there. And it's a beautiful view, ladies, don't get me wrong. But I don't want to see your butt whenever you're riding. I can see it fine whenever you're walking.